Our propane and natural gas 35 chicken rotisserie oven. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have 46 3/4 inches, a depth of 19 1/4 inches, and a height of 61 3/4 inches. Included will be 7 skewers. 3 of them is shown here as an example of the skewers you'll be receiving. Again, you'll be receiving a total of 7 skewers with this oven. Light and fan switches, along with the 7 burners that will cook your chickens simultaneously or separate. So 7 of the burners can be turned on and off simultaneously or separate. Coming here is your ETL certification, and this will have a 110/120 voltage connection. Included will be the propane conversion kit along with the regulator for natural gas. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.